Dear students, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question that is called as what the preparations or what we can say that how to identify the what the any organic compound into the different methods. ठीक है? That is called as whether the given compound is aromatic or anti-aromatic. We take here. Okay? So question is that this question asked in a NEET examination. ठीक है बेटा, ये जो सिलेबस में आपको नहीं है लेकिन मैं आपको मतलब ये पॉइंट ऐड इसमें सिलेबस में नहीं है तो भी हम इसको पढ़ रहे हैं. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन क्या है हमारा, हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई द एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड, एंटी एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड एंड नॉन एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड. ठीक है बेटा, सो वी टेक हियर द व्हाट फर्स्ट वी टेक द एरोमेटिक, नाउ सेकंड वी टेक द एंटी एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड. एंटी aromatic compound. Okay, what is the anti-aromatic compound? The compound which shows the following four rules. First called as the plain cyclic. Second is called as planar. Third is called as the conjugated. And fourth is called as what here? 4n pi electron rules. So those compounds which show the following four rules are called as the anti-aromatic. For example, whether the cyclobutene, what here? It is an example of cyclobutene. Butene means how many carbon? 4 carbon. And each carbon have a double bond called as alkene. Member of alkene called as what here? Cyclobutene. So whether the given example cyclobutene is aromatic or anti-aromatic, we identify here with the help of following four rules. So any compound or any molecule which obeys these four rules, cyclic, planar, conjugated and 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, called as what here? Anti-aromatic compound. So whether this cyclobutene is aromatic or anti-aromatic, we discuss here. So first of all, cyclic. Whether the cyclobutene is cyclic, so yes, it is a cyclic. Cyclobutane is cyclic in nature. Why cyclic? Because any three carbon which contain a cycle called as cyclic. So 4 carbons called as nature cyclic in nature. Clear? It means that each carbon are react to another carbon by cyclic form called as cyclic in nature. So cyclobutane is cyclic. Second, planar. Planar means each carbon are show sp2 hybridization called as the what here? The planar. So any two atoms which contain a carbon-carbon double bond, these each carbon are shows the sp2 hybridization. So these two carbon contain carbon-carbon double bond. That's why these carbons show sp2 hybridization. These also show the sp2 hybridization. These carbon also show the sp2 hybridization. That's why the cyclobutene shows which nature? Planar in nature. Third, conjugated means any compound which contain alternate single and double bond. Any compound which contains alternate single and double bond. Okay, so it is called as what here? It is called as a conjugated or conjugation. So here these also called as single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. That's why the cyclobutene should have nature conjugation or conjugated in nature. It means it contains alternate single and double bond. Now last rule here, fourth, which obeys the 4n pi electron rule. So these 4n pi electron rule are identified, which are used to identify the whether given compound contain how many pi electron. Clear है? यानी ये रूल जो है क्या यूज करते हैं हम लोग? दिस रूल आर यूज्ड टू आइडेंटिफाई द गिवन कंपाउंड इज कंटेन हाउ मेनी पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो एनी कंपाउंड which contain 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, clear, 24 pi electron. That's why this compound are shown the anti-aromatic in nature. So this cyclobutane is cyclic. Next, planar. Third, conjugated. Fourth, it obeys the foreign pi electron rule or not obeys. It means it contain a how many pi electron? Whether 4 8 electron called as anti-aromatic and does not contain a 4 8 electron called what here aromatic or non-aromatic. यहाँ देखते हैं बेटा, तो how many pi bond? 2 pi bond. Clear? How many pi bond? 2 pi bond. It means one bond formed by how many electron? 2 electrons. How many pi electron? 2 plus 2, 4. That's why it's contain a 4 pi electron. That's why the cyclobutadiene signature shows the anti-aromatic in nature. ये चार रूल को आपको यूज करना है, अगर चार रूल अगर फॉलो करते हैं कंपाउंड कंपाउंड कौन सा हो गया बेटा? एंटी-एरोमेटिक हो गया। एग्जांपल नंबर 2 ये आपको बताना है क्या होगा, ठीक है? एरोमेटिक एग्जांपल क्लियर? डबल बॉन्ड सिंगल बॉन्ड डबल बॉन्ड सिंगल बॉन्ड डबल बॉन्ड सिंगल बॉन्ड डबल बॉन्ड। हाउ मेनी कार्बन? 4 कार्बन, सॉरी 8 कार्बन, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 कार्बन called what here? The 8 carbon called as the what here? Cyclooctane. What here? Cyclooctane is a compound. So whether this cyclooctane is a aromatic or anti-aromatic. Now we take the here first. So this cyclooctane is a cyclic, yes cyclic because of cyclic nature. Second, it is planar. So each carbon, this carbon are what? With nature this carbon, these carbon are show sp2 hybridization. These also show sp2 hybridization. These also show sp2 hybridization. Means two carbon which contain carbon carbon double bond. So each carbon are show with nature sp2 hybridization. That's why. Second is what? It is also the planar. Third, conjugated means alternate single and double bond areas. So double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. It means alternate single and double bond. That's why it is also called as conjugating. And fourth, which obeys the foreign pi electron. It means this compound contains how many pi electron? So it contains 2 pi bond. How many? 4 pi bond. Means how many pi electron? 2, 4, 6, 8. X, yes, clear. That's why it is called as what here? Anti-aromatic in nature. Anti-aromatic in nature. Clear? So, first example, cyclobutadiene and what here? Cyclooctane is an example of anti-aromatic in nature. So, first aromatic, second anti-aromatic, third non-aromatic. It means those compound what is non-aromatic in nature. So what is the non-aromatic compound? So those compound which obeys does not the rule of aromatic and anti-aromatic called as a non-aromatic compound. For example, we take an example. Carbon first, double bond, double bond, it contains negative charge. So what is the non-aromatic compound? Those compound which does not obey the one rule of a given aromatic and anti-aromatic compound. First, it is cyclic, yes, it is cyclic in nature. Second, it is planar, yes, it is planar in nature. Third, it contains conjugation, yes, contain conjugal covalent here, plus alternate single and double bond. And fourth, it obeys the foreign pi electron rule or foreign plus 2 pi electron rule. If this compound does not obey the foreign pi electron rule or foreign plus pi electron rule, that's why it is called as the what? A non-aromatic. तो अभी देखिए बेटे यहाँ पे ये कौन सा रूल फॉलो करता है, ठीक है? foreign pi electron rule is how many pi electron? 4, 8, 20, okay, 16. इसको फॉलो करता है। यार सेकंड क्या बेटा? 4n plus 2 pi electron rule है क्या? 2, 6, 10, what here? 14 pi electron. अगर ये दोनों रूल को फॉलो करता है बेटा, तो ये एक को फॉलो करता है। अगर what here? Anti-aromatic. अगर इसको फॉलो करें क्या बोलेंगे इसको? एरोमेटिक, अब दोनों को नहीं फॉलो कर क्या बोलते हैं बेटा हम लोग नॉन एरोमेटिक। ठीक है, तो साइक्लिक है, प्लेनर है, कंजुगेटेड है। अब इसमें देखो हाउ मेनी पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन 4 2 6, but here 6 pi electron, but here negative charge. This negative charge also take in a what here the pi electrons, in a pi electron. अब इसको और अगर चेंज किया बेटा यहाँ पे हमने इसी एग्जांपल को चेंज किया हमने यहाँ पे clear. So it is a example of the what a non-aromatic compound. So identify this. It is cyclic in nature. It's a what here? It's a planar or not? So it contains carbon-carbon double bond. Yes, sp2 hybridization. It's also sp2 hybridization. It also sp2 hybridization. It also sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. But here these two carbon it shows the sp3 hybridization. So any compound which does not obey the one rule of the following, that's why it is a cyclic. Clear? It is a not a conjugated or not a planar. Clear? So the compound which does not obey the any rule, all the carbon are the sp2, it's called as the aromatic or anti-aromatic. All the compounds contain single and double bond, it's also called as the aromatic or anti-aromatic. But here it is a carbon, two carbon are what here sp3, and it contains only the single bond. That's why it does not take place a conjugation planar. That's why the compound is non-aromatic. What here non-aromatic? Example this means those compound does not obey the one rule of the following four rule called as a non-aromatic. Clear? ये जो फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ रूल के लिए बेटा एंटी एरोमेटिक के लिए फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड ये फोर्थ रूल के लिए बेटा एरोमेटिक के लिए ओके। और नेक्स्ट जो रूल है अगर इसमें चारों रूल में से रूल फॉलो नहीं तो उसे क्या बोलेंगे हम नॉन एरोमेटिक। सो वी डिस्कस हियर द नीड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। दिस इज कॉल्ड फर्स्ट कॉल्ड एरोमेटिक, सेकंड इज कॉल्ड एंटी एरोमेटिक एंड थर्ड कॉल्ड व्हाट इज नॉन एरोमेटिक। क्लियर है? ओके बेटा, तो अच्छे से आपको याद रखना, ठीक है? ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।